Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Myself Kasturi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Technology. So in this video lecture series, we are going to see about the case studies based on the cloud computing architecture. As a start, first we are going to discuss about the case study on e-commerce platform. So imagine we are running a huge e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart or Meesho. So every second, thousands of customers are browsing, adding items to their cart and making the payments. Now think, what if suddenly your cloud provider goes down? So this is exactly why multi-cloud architecture has become the backbone of modern e-commerce. In today's video, we'll explore a complete case study on how multi-cloud architecture helps e-commerce platforms achieve maximum uptime, global performance, strong security and zero dependency on a single provider. So why multi-cloud for e-commerce? So e-commerce platforms must stay online 24/7. So even a 5-minute outage can result in a crores of rupees in losses. For example, Amazon losses nearly 2 to 3 crore for every minute of downtime. Zomato once lost lakhs during a 1-hour server glitch. So with multi-cloud, the system is distributed across multiple providers like AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. So even if one cloud fails, the other continues running smoothly. A great example is Mercado Libre. So Latin America's largest e-commerce company. So during a major Google Cloud outage in June 2025, Mercado Libre still had 100% uptime because traffic automatically shifted to AWS and Azure. So what is multi-cloud architecture? So multi-cloud architecture simply means using more than one cloud provider at the same time. So each cloud provider is used for its strength. AWS mainly for elastic computing and auto scaling, and Microsoft Azure for enterprise services and Active Directory, and Google Cloud for base for AI, ML and data analytics. So this gives flexibility, avoids vendor lock-in and improves speed for users around the world. So next we are going to see about the core components. So let's look at the main building blocks of a multi-cloud e-commerce architecture. So first one is the intelligent load balancers. So these act like traffic police. For example, if AWS becomes slow, the load balancer automatically sends customers to the Azure. So second one is the redundant application servers. Applications are deployed on multiple clouds using Kubernetes. For example, Amazon's buy now and add to cart features run on distributed servers. So third one is the distributed databases. So data is copied across clouds so that no single system becomes a point of failure. For example, DB or Google Spanner ensures real-time updates. So next one is the CDN and edge locations. A customer run from Chennai or Coimbatore gets very fast page loads because data is served from nearby edge servers. So real world example, Mercado Libre. So Mercado Libre created a system called Furry as a Service, a multi-cloud architecture with 3 key features. Active to active deployment, that is all clouds runs simultaneously, not waiting as backups but sharing load always. Second one is the independent monitoring. So each cloud has its own monitoring system. AI predicts failures before customers notice. Third one is the fail open design. So even if backend systems slow down, the platform still shows catchy pages like product listings. So this design helped them survive a 180-minute Google outage without any customer impact. So benefits of e-commerce example. Here are the major advantages. So first one is the maximum uptime. If Azure fails, AWS takes over. If AWS fails, Google Cloud takes over. So customers will never see an error page. Second one is the no vendor lock-in. So companies can switch between clouds for pricing benefits. Example, some companies run AI workloads on GCP because it's cheaper. Better performance. Say user in India gets faster response from AWS Mumbai. Say user in Europe gets better speed from Azure Frankfurt. Last one is the strong security. So multiple layers of DDoS protection from different clouds. Implementation roadmap. So the journey to multi-cloud does not happen overnight. It happens in 4 phases. So phase 1, backup and disaster recovery. Example, store product images on AWS S3 and backup copies on Azure Blob Storage. Phase 2, system integration. Example, synchronize inventory between AWS and Azure so quantities always match. Phase 3, AI ML deployment. So product recommendation engine, that is Google Cloud AI, fraud detection, that is AWS machine learning. Optimization and automation. So automatic decisions for cost saving, move workloads to GCP which is cheaper during weekends, shift traffic automatically during festivals and offer sales. The key challenges we are facing are multi-cloud is a powerful but challenging. So challenge 1 is management of complexity. So different cloud dashboards, billing, resource management. So for a solution we use Terraform, Kubernetes or Datadog. So challenge 2 you are facing is data consistency. So data must be correct across clouds. So for this we are providing solution, use multi-region distributed databases like CockroachDB. So challenge 3 is cost control. So more clouds equals more bills. Solution, tools like Cloud Health Monitor and reduce cost automatically. So commerce tools example, a commerce tools is a global cloud agnostic e-commerce platform. It runs on AWS, GCP and Azure, giving more near zero latency for global customers and automatic scaling during Diwali and Christmas sales. So as a conclusion, we can conclude that it is essential for modern commerce and downtime becomes the advantage for the users and start smart and scale fast. Thank you. Thank you for the listening.